In 1 minute, I'll show how to install Steam games to an external drive on Windows and Mac OS. Step 1. Prepare your external drive and back up any files first. For Windows, use NTFS. For Mac OS, use APFS or Mac OS Extended. exFAT works for cross-platform but may have limits. Step 2. Open Steam Settings and go to Downloads, then Steam Library Folders. Click Add Library Folder and select your external drive, creating a new Steam library folder if needed. Now the external drive is available as an installation location in Steam. Windows Demo. Open Steam, click Install on a game and pick the external library you added. Mac OS Demo. Mount the external drive, then add it in Steam and choose it during installation the same way. Tip: some games require NTFS file permissions, so check game notes if you plan to share the drive across platforms. To move installed games, right-click the game, choose Properties, Local Files, then move Install Folder and pick the external drive. Always wait for transfers to finish and safely eject the drive before unplugging to avoid corruption. That's it. Install or move games to your external drive, check formatting, and enjoy more storage. Subscribe for more quick guides.